Hello everyone, welcome back to Comparative Investing Techniques CIT channel. This video we are using another SGS listed company called Yangzijiang Shipbuilding Holding Limited to demonstrate the effectiveness of CIT intrinsic value. So we shall now bring investor attention to our Facebook update. On the 28th of February 2022, based on Yangzijiang Shipbuilding Holding Limited 2021 Q4 result, we estimated its intrinsic value at 1.25 Singapore dollar. Close price for its share on 28th of February 2022 was at 1.38 Singapore dollar. As per our attachment, which also show at 1.38 Singapore dollar, traded above the CIT intrinsic value of 1.25 Singapore dollar, indicated that it was an expensive stock. Alright, so we shall now take a look how the share price movement continue to go after 28th of February 2022. So from the stock chart of Yangzijiang Shipbuilding, we can see that the share price continue to climb to a maximum high of 1.66 Singapore dollar on 18th of April 2022. So you can see that as the share price goes even higher above the intrinsic value, the share price getting even more expensive, and that increases the probability of correction. And true enough, 4 days later, on the 22nd of February 22nd of April 2022, the share price plunged to a record low of 0.80 Singapore dollar, equivalent to 80 cents Singapore dollar. Alright, so you can see that anyone who actually took position 4 days ago at a maximum price of 1.66, 4 days later at a lowest price of 0.80, he or she will have lost 52% of their asset within just 4 days. Okay, so you can see that it is very important for investor to know the intrinsic value, because when the price was at 1.66, traded way above the CIT intrinsic value of 1.25, investor who know the intrinsic value will immediately shy away from these stocks, and no one is going to take position. And when that happens, you are not going to lose any money. Alright, but for those who actually have no idea what was the intrinsic value and continue to trade for these stocks, out of sudden when the share price crash, then he or she will end up losing, having a massive loss on their investment. Alright, so once again, we can see from this example, it is always very extremely important to know the intrinsic value of any stocks that you want to take position. So for investors who wish to find out any stocks that trade on the SGX or Hong Kong stock market of their intrinsic value, you can submit your valuation request to us. Per request we charge $30 for Singapore dollar payment, and for foreign currency payment we charge 30 USD. Alternatively, you can also sign up our membership, which currently only costs $600 per year, and you get to enjoy unlimited number of valuation requests. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.